Jai Shri Gurudev. Good morning, students. Welcome back to the computer science class. In previous class, you understood about the different types of blocks, right? So today, let us move on to the next topic, that is working with multiple sprites. So as the name itself indicates, today you'll be learning how to use two sprites in a Scratch project, and you'll be also learning how to give instructions or commands to the multiple sprites. So let me show it practically and let me explain it in brief. So I'll come out from the screen. So here I'll open the Scratch window. So this is our Scratch application, right? Hope you all can see my screen. So this is the sprite. So can you remember what is sprite, children? Sprite is an object which performs action according to the instructions given by you. And this blank space is called as stage. So stage is the place where the sprites performs action. Hope you can remember this. So which is the default sprite? So the default sprite will be always the cat. Cat will be the default sprite. Hope you can remember this much. So here, now let us understand how to add multiple sprites to the Scratch project. Okay, children. So here we already have a cat. This is the default sprite, right? So let me delete this. How to delete it? In order to delete this sprite, we have to use the cursor tool. So where will be the cursor tool? Hope you can see my screen. So this is the cursor tools, right? So in this, we'll be using delete cursor tool in order to delete the sprite, right? So once you select that, your normal pointer, that is the arrow mark, will be changed to the scissor shape. So when it changes like this, you have to click on this so that the sprite will be deleted. Hope you all know how to do this. So now let me add sprites to the project. So in order to add sprites to the project, you have to click on this new sprite. That is, you have to select the first option, that is choose sprite from library. Okay, so you have to click on this and you'll get so many sprites here. These are all the inbuilt sprites. Okay, children. So here under the people category, I'll select the sprites here. Okay, so I'll select this one, the boy. So click on the sprite which is required for you and click on OK so that the sprite will be added to the project. Okay. So now I'll show how to add one more sprite to the project. Again, I'll click on this choose sprite from library. Click on that. Again in the people category, I'll select one girl sprite. Okay, children. So here we go. I'll select this. So click on that and click on the OK. So once you press on OK button, the selected sprite will be displayed on the stage. Okay, so this is how we'll add multiple sprites to the project. So now what we have done, we have added the sprites to our project, right? So what the sprite will do? It will perform action according to the instructions given by us, right? As of now, we have not given any instructions for this sprite. So for this boy sprite also, we have not given any instruction. And for this girl sprite also, we have not given any instructions. So if we want the sprites to perform some action, we have to give instructions, right? Here two sprites are there. So for both the sprites, you have to give instructions separately. Okay, children. So first, I'll select this boy sprite and I'll give some instructions. So where will give the instructions? Hope you can remember. Already everything will be predefined in the form of blocks. Just by putting the blocks in the script area, we will create the program. That is, we can give instructions to the sprite, right? So let me show you how to give instructions for the boy sprite. So children, here we are just creating a project of a small conversation between the two sprites. Okay, so we'll just create it and let us check out how it works, right? So first I'll give the commands to the boy sprite. So in order to give commands to the boy sprite, you have to select this. Okay, hope you can see here down. First you have to select the sprite, then you have to give the commands. So first block will be always when flag clicked from the events block, right? So first I have added this block. So next I'll select from the looks block, I'll select say hello. Okay, let the sprite say hello, right? Okay, so next, after saying that, it should wait for 4 seconds. So I'll go for the control block, right? Wait for 4 seconds. So here value is 1, so I have to change it for 4. Okay, children. Next is from the looks block, say. So we are just creating a conversation between the two sprites, right? So I'll take the say block from the looks block. So here hello is there. Instead of that text, let us type something else. That is, so let the sprite ask, can you please share your computer science classwork? Okay. Let the sprite ask like that. Can you please share your computer science classwork? The sprite is asking like that. So let us check out how it works. Okay. So next, after asking that, it should wait for 5 seconds and it will be in the control block. Right? Let it wait for 5 seconds. Okay. Next, from the looks block, let us put this say. Here we'll type as thank you in place of hello. Okay. Once I run the program, you'll understand what it is. Okay, children. So this is the code. This is the instructions that I have given for the boy sprite, right? So now I have given instructions for the boy sprite and it will work according to my instructions. So now let me give instruction for this girl sprite also. How to give instruction for the girl sprite? In order to give instruction for the girl sprite, you have to select it here. First, you have to select the sprite. So here, hope you can absorb. In the script area, nothing is there because we have not given any instruction for the girl sprite, right? So it is not showing anything here. Let us give some instructions for this girl sprite also. So always the first block will be when flag clicked from the events block. So here is the events block. So this is the first block, that is when flag clicked. Next is from the control block, it has to wait for 1 second. Let us give that, right? So next, from the looks block, it should say hello, right? So when the boy sprite say hello, the girl sprite also should say hello back, right? So we are putting that. After that, it should wait for 4 seconds. And that will be in the control block. Wait for 4 seconds. Here, always the value will be, the default value will be 1. You can change according to your requirement. So I'm giving us 4 there. Next, from the looks block, say, so the boy sprite will ask, can you please share your computer science classwork? So the girl sprite, what it will say? Sure, I will share the classwork to your WhatsApp number, to your WhatsApp, right? So the girl sprite will reply back like this. Okay, so after that, it waits for 4 seconds. Let us give that command. So it will be in the control block. Wait for 4 seconds. Okay, so after that, at the last, it should say That's okay. So the boy sprite will say thank you, right? So for that, the girl sprite will reply back as that's okay. That's okay. Okay, so this is the script for the girl sprite. So now what we have done, we have given some script, some instruction to the boy sprite. We have also given some instructions for the girl sprite also. So let us check it. So before that, let us add a backdrop. Okay, so how to add a backdrop? Here we'll be having that option, that is new backdrop. Under new backdrop option, you have to select choose backdrop from library. So let us select some backdrop, that is background. Okay, so here also it will be like a category wise. We'll select this. We'll just come down. So we'll select the chalkboard, right? Whichever the background you need, you can select it. Then okay. So likewise, the backdrop will be selected. Okay, children. So here you can place wherever it is required. Okay, like this. Fine. Hope you understood how to select the backdrops and all. So now let us run the program. So let us view the program in the full screen mode. So here is the full screen mode. So just by clicking that, you can shift it. So to run the program, you have to click on the green flag icon. So here it is. So I'll just click on that. You absorb what project we have created. Okay, children. So I'll just click on the green flag. So hello, it is replying back hello. Like this. Okay. So this is a small project which shows the conversation between the two sprites. Hope you understood this. So this is for today. Just try it out once if you have got systems in your home. So read your textbook once, and if you get any sorts of doubts regarding this, please do contact me. Thank you. Have a good day.